In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 solar ovens available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best solar ovens. The 5th product on this list is the KECOP solar cooker. Today, homesteads and eco-friendly camping enthusiasts are either adopting solar cooking as an alternative way to cut costs or for fun. Solar ovens have reflectors that trap photon light particles, then convert them to heat, which cooks the meal of choice. The cooking technique is simple and efficient since it works on a setup that requires only the oven and the sun's power, which is inexhaustible. This one is made of 304 food-grade stainless steel and vacuum tube material, safe, non-toxic, and durable. It's very compact and weighs just 4.84 pounds, making it ideal for camping. Simply load it up with food and relax. No monitoring is required. This stove retains your food's flavor and nutrition, cooking from 360 degrees, like a slow cooker, but faster. It can bake, roast, steam, and sauté. Moreover, cooking with solar means there will be no toxic fumes on your face while cooking. Even better, the cooking time is often less than 30 minutes, with a maximum temperature of 550 degrees Fahrenheit in full sunlight. This means you can effectively make meals without the need for propane, gas, fire, or electrical power. Additionally, this foldable portable grill has a simple 2-step setup, making it a must for grilling on the go and easy storage. What's more, transportation is straightforward, and each part can be washed by water, making cleanup a breeze. Also, the vacuum tube cooking chamber is insulated to keep heat in and cool out. That makes it safe to touch, so that children can enjoy cooking with you as well. It's an ideal product for outdoor summer cooking. Its pros are, it's made of high-quality steel, its foldable grill makes it portable, and it is easy to clean. However, it comes with shallow trays that cannot hold a lot. The KECOP solar cooker is a brilliant product for anyone wanting an alternative to gas or charcoal barbecues for camping. Up next in 4th place is the Mr. Map Max solar oven. The fact that this type of evacuated tube cooker can work well even under cloudy skies means it's an ideal companion to have on any trip. With this unit, the temperature in the furnace can reach 240 to 550 degrees Fahrenheit and can produce a Maillard reaction, which makes the food taste more delicious. It actually only takes 20 minutes to cook a meal when operating at its maximum temperature in full sunlight. Moreover, solar cooking is often even tastier as there's no air movement in a solar oven. That means the food cooks more evenly and stays moist and tender. Additionally, this solar stove can be set up and stored in just a few seconds, thanks to its zipper design on both sides. Plus, it weighs 11.22 pounds in total, including all the parts, so it is no bother to throw it in the trunk of your car on your next trip. The external shape of the solar oven is similar to the one-piece design of a handbag with an adjustable strap. A durable vacuum tube cooking chamber provides insulation to keep heat in and cool out. Even better, without needing to be supervised by anyone, children can also participate in cooking as it is so well insulated. This saves you a lot of time and energy so you can enjoy the food more while relaxing. Essentially, with this device, you'll be able to use this unit anywhere there is sunlight. This solar oven is a reliable way to cook a meal outdoors, whether camping in a tent, motorhome, mountaineering, hunting, fishing, kayaking, or just in the backyard. Its pros are, its sealed tube keeps food moist while cooking, it has a travel-friendly design, and it is safe for kids to use. However, it is not very stable on rough ground. The Mr. Map Max solar oven makes creating tasty meals while out in the wilderness effortless. Still haven't found a solar oven that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Sunflare solar oven. This next device is made using one of the most widely used designs from around the world. It's essentially a foil-lined box that traps and reflects the sun's heat to cook your food. This box cooks at a steady temperature and is suitable for anything that would be usually simmered in a slow cooker, roasted in an oven, or cooked in a microwave. Their size favors those seeking to prepare separate meals or cook for a larger number of people. It is excellent for those who are often on the go and traveling, as well as for people who need to consider storage space. When it comes to size and weight, Hands down, the SunFlare is the most compact oven when packed down and is super light too, so you could easily take it on hiking day trips or to picnics. The case is nice and sturdy too, and while the oven body is made of fabric, it's still pretty durable. This solar oven is surprisingly good when it comes to cooking time and temperature. It can reach temperatures of 550 degrees Fahrenheit despite only weighing 1.9 pounds. And it even has a large cooking chamber, so you can cook more at once than some other solar ovens on this list. What's more, with this product, everything you need is included: a solar oven thermometer, 2 heat-conducting baking trays, 2 baking or dehydrating racks, 1 enamelware pot, 2 silicone pots, and even a handy carrying bag. Lastly, you'll be happy to know that SunFlare donates a portion of the proceeds towards helping provide a safer, healthier, and greener cooking experience for people across the globe. Its pros are: it has a high capacity, it is very easily portable, and it's very eco-friendly. However, its front zipper doesn't feel heavy enough for regular use. The SunFlare solar oven is a well-designed device that would make having a hot meal while mountaineering much easier. The second product on this list is the SunUp Camper. This unit is one of the largest on this list and can actually hold a turkey roaster while being powerful enough to roast that turkey just as well as your indoor oven. This is because with the right positioning, it can easily reach temperatures of 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Since this is a panel-type cooker, there's no limit to the dimension of the pot that you can use: frying pans, oblong cake pans, 2 pots, etc. The cooking area is 12 inches deep and 17 inches wide, yet there's no height limit in the cooking area. This means that just about any type of pot will fit with ease. Since the SunUp Camper does not use a door, but rather a cooking bag, it will hold these large pots and many other shapes without restriction. What's more, it is also very versatile and will work with any cookware you already own. Plus, it weighs about 3.5 pounds, making it just as portable as others on this list. Additionally, it has an incredible amount of positioning adjustment. This allows the user to cook any time of day that the sun is shining. On a day with 12 hours of sunshine, you get 12 hours of solar cooking. The capacity is undiminished, regardless of adjustment of the reflector array. Furthermore, this product comes with a sunlight guide to help you position the unit more accurately. It's a simple pin and block device that allows the user to perfectly focus on the sun. When the pin has no shadow, the cooker is in its best position. Easy as that. All in all, it's a very straightforward yet effective design that's ideal for any outdoor enthusiast needing a decent hot meal at the end of the day. Its pros are: it fits any size cookware, it can be adjusted to follow the sun, and it's effortless to operate. However, it takes a little while to disassemble after use. The SunUp Camper is the perfect unit for those who want to cook early in the morning or late in the evening while off the grid. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top solar oven is the GOSUN solar oven. There's a wide range of solar ovens available on the market, but this one is the fastest solar cooking solution that's also portable and lightweight at 1.9 pounds. It is specifically designed for things like camping, hiking, and other on-the-go activities. The general concept is pretty straightforward. The device is basically a 17.5-inch long silver clamshell that unfolds smoothly to reveal 2 parabolic mirrors. These are aimed at a glass vacuum tube nestled between them. There's then a long cylindrical tray cut open on the top, which slides into this hollow tube. When you're ready to cook and the sun comes out, you just use the adjustable legs to aim the GOSUN roughly in the sun's direction. Then all of that solar energy will be focused onto the vacuum tube and the tray inside it, which makes the assembly rapidly heat up as high as 550 degrees Fahrenheit. If you fill the tray with delectable morsels of food, well, you're cooking with nothing but the sun. It's worth noting that it will work on overcast days. It just won't get as hot or cook quite as fast. But as long as you can see a shadow, you can cook with this unit. This is really the ideal device for days at the beach or for spring and summer camping trips. The sleek, compact design and its durable EVA foam hardshell case, along with the fact it doesn't need any fuel, make it the most convenient product for anyone who loves cooking outdoors. Its pros are: it's very compact, it's straightforward to operate, it's very efficient, and it comes with a durable case. However, its capacity is limited by the size of the tube. The GOSUN solar oven is a brilliantly designed device that is recommended for anyone wanting a reliable and simple way to cook food with nothing but the power of the sun. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.